I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll sign in right away, so start on the Xbox console or go to Account. Microsoft.com. Enter your Microsoft account email and password, then make sure you're on your Xbox profile. Once signed in, navigate to Security or Your Info. This is where contact methods live. You need the phone nearby because Microsoft sends a verification code. This prevents account takeover and links the number for recovery and two-step verification. Now move to the Contact Methods section to add a phone number. You'll click Add a Contact Method and pick Phone, then choose the correct country code so the number formats properly. Type the digits carefully and choose SMS or a voice call for the code. SMS is faster, voice works when SMS fails. After requesting the code, switch to your phone and read the digits back to the Microsoft prompt. Once you enter the code, the account confirms ownership and links the number, enabling recovery, alerts, and optional two-step verification for improved security. Once confirmed, make the phone your primary contact if you want recovery and sign-in codes sent there. Then check your Xbox. Settings right arrow account right arrow sign-in, security, and passkey to ensure the number appears. Make sure two-step verification is configured the way you prefer. This improves account protection. If something goes wrong, like no code arrives, retry sending, switch from SMS to voice, verify phone signal and number format. And as a last resort contact, Microsoft support for help recovering or verifying the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.